Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your daily energies, guys, for your general energies, I'll be picking few cards, Virgos. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship. But if you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy. So let's see what are these cards, Virgos. Is the Hermit, Hangman in reverse, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Virgos, you are thinking about something. Maybe you are in the verge of deciding something important in your life. It may be something in your career or something in your personal life. So you have that deep thought. You are thinking about the pros and cons and taking that important decision today, guys. And I also see that in your situation, it may be in your career or in your relationship, there are people who are really selfish. They don't have that true concern on you, true love on you. They are trying to deceive you in some way. So what they are speaking or what they are showing out may not be the truth. So they are hiding something from you guys. So you need to be really careful, Virgos. So they are hiding the truth today. So they have their own thoughts, own situations to deal with, and they are trying to use you to benefit themselves, and they are least bit bothered about you. So this may be people in your career situation, or it may be this person you are in connection with. So they are not yet in that deep bond with you, so you have to be quite careful with them. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos, for your general energies. For that more detailed love reading, Virgos, watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two piles here. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can close your eyes and choose the pile. Open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way that reading may resonate to your situation, guys. So I'll be starting with this deck. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So let's see what is coming with the first deck. I will start after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so let's start with this deck. I'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. We have a few cards falling out. This is your first card. This is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what is coming for those who have chosen this card. The Devil, 9 of Moons, Postulant of Stars. So guys, with this card, for those who have chosen this first card, in this love, in this connection, maybe guys, you have that deep physical attraction to them, and maybe for some of you, you are not even thinking whether you both have something common between you both, something that will bring that attachment and bonding. So you have just rushed towards this person without that deep thought, maybe based on some very superficial things, maybe that physical attraction or that passion you have towards them. So some immature decisions would have led you to be in this connection, but you are also willing to change, or they are also willing to change, maybe make some changes, because this situation, maybe for some of you it is out of control. Maybe the way they are behaving, they are reacting impulsively, and it is turning out to be a kind of abusive relationship. So maybe for some of you, you want to change yourself or try and change this person. So if you have love, this person is going to change for you guys, or if they have love for you, they are going to change for you, or if you have love, you are going to change for them. So otherwise things will be difficult in this love, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is coming with the second pile. So with this pile, let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys. So for those who have chosen this second deck, let's see what's coming up. It's 4 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck, so maybe in this love, or in this life together with this person, maybe this person is quite immature. They don't have that clarity in whatever they are doing, guys. And maybe they are also quite careless and lethargic. They are not willing to do anything for you or for this love. And I also see that their careless attitude is bringing lots of difficulties for you in this love, in this connection. And they are going for some immature behavior. They are just dreaming, and they are not really willing to do anything for this love, guys. And maybe they are having some kind of weakness also, guys. Maybe they are into some kind of habits. Again, that may be really stressing and worrying you. But I also see that things are slowly changing. Maybe if you have that, if you both have love between each other, and if it is true love, this person, if they have that true love on you, they are going to change, and you are seeing some hope in your future with some changes coming in your situation. Maybe you are proposing to them, or they are proposing to them, or maybe for some of you, you are having a child together. So some circumstances are changing beautifully to bring both of you close together. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.